guys, who's excited for Inktober? I know I am. So what supplies am I going to be using? Well, first of all, I have the official prompt list, and then I also have the prompt list, which I won't show you, with my ideas written out for what I'm going to do for each word. I'm trying to be more prepared this year. This will be my second time trying Inktober. So, along with that, I'm planning to use my Tone Tan sketchbook. Last year I used it in part of it, and I really liked it. I like how ink looks against that Tone Tan. Also, I have on hand some Bombay Black India ink, and this is by P.H. Martin. So I'll be using that. I can create ink washes, and I have little plastic palettes to put it in, that sort of thing. And of course I've got my Derwent Inktense blocks if I choose to add some color. But I also really love the Inktense white. The Inktense white is great to work with the black ink, and I have the black. And I also have the Inktense pencils, which I might use a little bit. We'll see. And on top of that, I'm just using, I have this for my Inktense. I just have various inexpensive brushes and my Arteza water brushes that I can use with the ink. And in the top half here, if I open this up, I have a spare black and white Inktense pencil, because you can never have too many. I also have a dip pen. It's just a really old dip pen I've had for years, so I thought I'd use that. And those are my supplies. So are you going to do Inktober this year? Well, what are your plans? If you don't have Inktense or Black India ink or fine liners or microns or whatever you think you need, you really don't need it. I'm going to show you a couple things I did last year. I had never heard of Inktober, so I decided to go ahead and give it a try, but I didn't have any ink. What am I going to do? Guess what I used? 2 ballpoint pens. All they are, they're Blick black ink pens. And I'll show you what I did. This was the first day of Inktober, and the prompt was swift. So I did this fox using nothing but a ballpoint pen. The second prompt was divided, so I drew these 2 bears. So I was trying to keep with a wildlife theme. Then I moved on to the Tone Tan. Excuse the stains, this kind of got destroyed a little bit. Underwater, I did my shark because I absolutely love sharks. I even have a website, educational website about sharks. Poison was day 3, so I did a scorpion. Let's see. I've got day 5, which was long, and that's where you can see the Inktense in there. Day 6 was sword. I did a narwhal. I just think they're so cool. Day 7 was shy, so I did a little mouse. And day 8 was crooked, so I did this wonderful red-tailed hawk with its head upside down. Day 14 was Wolverine. I did for fierce. The prompt was fierce. And day 15 was mysterious. And I did a ringtail cat, which are from the Phoenix, Arizona area. And they're very mysterious. You don't see them very often. So this year, my plan is to do 5x7 drawings And my challenge for myself is to take the official prompt list and somehow incorporate those words with Nebraska wildlife. So there you have it. But know that if you want to participate in Inktense, you don't need fancy materials. Get yourself a ballpoint pen and doodle. Inktober is all about using your creativity and drawing every day. That's the important part of it. So don't worry about not having the right supplies. Use what you have and have fun.